Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about meningitis. Meningitis is topic of CNS pathology. Meningitis is defined as inflammatory process affecting the leptomeninges. First of all, let's define what are meninges. Meninges are three layers of membrane which cover the brain and spinal cord, and they have protective function. There are three membranes: the delicate inner layer, which is known as pyometer, the middle layer, which is known as arachnoid mater, and the toughest outer layer, which is known as dura mater. And here's to one more thing, that there is subarachnoid space, which is the interval between the arachnoid mater and pyometer, which means के arachnoid mater और pyometer के बीच में जो कि inner two layers हैं, उन दोनों के बीच में there is a space, there is an interval which is known as subarachnoid space, और इस space में present होता है cerebrospinal fluid. Importance of cerebrospinal fluid is that it serves as a cushion for the brain, so it provides nutrients and remove the waste products. Now let's define again meningitis. Meningitis is the inflammatory process. It's an inflammatory process जो कि leptomeninges को affect करती है. Now what are leptomeninges? Leptomeninges are basically the two inner layer of meninges जो कि है pyometer और arachnoid mater. अगर इन्फ्लेमेशन इन दोनों लेयर्स को इन्वॉल्व करती है तो फिर हम उसको मेनिंजाइटिस कहते हैं, और इन दोनों लेयर्स को मिला के हम लेप्टोमेनिंजेस कहते हैं. अब जैसे कि इन्फ्लेमेशन इन दोनों लेयर्स को इन्वॉल्व कर रही है, तो दैट मीन्स कि इन्फ्लेमेशन सब अरेक्नोइड स्पेस को भी इन्वॉल्व कर रही है जहाँ पे CSF प्रेजेंट होता है. उसकी वजह से CSF में भी चेंजेस आएंगी. सो इट्स दिस स्पेस इज वेरी क्रिटिकल ना. तो मेनिंजाइटिस नॉट ओनली अफेक्ट्स द मेनिंजेस बट ऑल्सो हैव इफेक्ट ऑन द cerebrospinal fluid. So in summary, what we discussed that meningitis involves the inflammation of these delicate membranes, which are the leptomeninges, which surround the brain and spinal cord, specifically within the area which is filled with the cerebrospinal fluid. And now see in this picture the normal as well as infected meninges. Compare that the CSF in the normal meninges is normal clear fluid. However, in infected meninges it is infected, there is inflammation, it is red, and the tissues are also swollen. The pyometer is also swollen, arachnoid mater is also shown as the swollen tissue. So this is how the normal as well as infected meninges look. What are the signs and symptoms of meningeal irritation? The signs and symptoms of meningeal irritation include, first the symptoms are the headache, neck stiffness जिसको हम neck rigidity भी कहते हैं, photophobia, high grade fever, nausea, vomiting, irritability, seizures, clouding of consciousness, and the two major signs which are the positive Kerning signs and positive Brudzinski sign. Now Kerning sign. What is positive Kerning sign? Positive Kerning sign के लिए first of all knee is flexed to 90 degrees as shown, hip is flexed to 90 degrees, और फिर हम उसको एक्सटेंड करते हैं. द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ नी पे अगर उसको पेन हो रहा है और अपनी एक्सटेंशन को वो पेशेंट लिमिट कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स के देयर इज़ पॉजिटिव कर्निंग साइन. अगर उसको एक्सटेंशन पे कोई पेन नहीं हो रहा तो फिर इट्स नेगेटिव कर्निंग साइन. However, the other sign which is the Brudzinski sign वो पॉजिटिव होती है when patient is in the supine position, और अगर उसका नेक जो है हम फ्लेक्स करते हैं पैसिवली. अपॉन फ्लेक्सिंग द नेक अगर वो अपनी हिप और नी की फ्लेक्शन कर रहा है तो दिस इज पॉजिटिव साइन. अगर अपॉन फ्लेक्शन ऑफ द नेक अगर उसकी हिप और नी फ्लेक्स नहीं हो रही तो इट्स नेगेटिव साइन. Causes of infectious meningitis. Infectious meningitis can be broadly classified into three subtypes: acute pyogenic, usually bacterial; aseptic, usually viral; and chronic meningitis, which occurs in case of tuberculosis, spirochetal, or fungal infection. So there are three based on the type of organism. Acute pyogenic occurs in bacterial, aseptic usually in the viral, and chronic in case of other. What are the bacteria which causes meningitis? In neonates, it is caused by E. coli and group B streptococci. In infants and children, it is caused by Haemophilus influenza. In adolescents and young adults, it is caused by Neisseria meningitis. In elderly, it is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia and Listeria monocytogenes. What are the viruses? Enterovirus being the most common, measles, influenza virus, lymphocytic choriomeningitis virus. TB meningitis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis as well as atypical mycobacteria. Spirochetes include Treponema pallidum, Rickettsia, Borrelia burgdorferi. Fungi include Cryptococcus neoformans, Candida albicans, Histoplasma capsulatum. That's all about this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want notes of CNS pathology, comment down in the comment box. Thank you.